In a future built from light and code, cities aren't engineered, they're imagined. This is Pollo.ai, where ideas grow and breathe. No cameras, no film crews, no production walls to break through, just a single spark, refusing to stay unreal. And now, anyone, even you, can bring worlds like this to life with nothing but one prompt. This is Next Gen AI Lab. If this inspires you, subscribe, and let's keep building the future together. First things first, if you don't feel like clicking any links, just open your browser and type Pollo.ai in the address bar. Press enter and you'll land right on the home page. From here, hit Start for free. You can sign up using your email or simply with Google. I'll go with Google since it's the quickest. And just like that, we're inside the Pollo workspace. Before jumping into creating, let's take a quick look at Pollo.ai's paid plans. The free plan is great for testing things out, but you're definitely going to want to upgrade. You've got Lite at $15 per month, Pro at $29 per month, and you can get 50% off both when you go yearly. The Pro plan includes HD downloads without watermarks and gives you 800 credits each month. If you ever need more, you can adjust the slider to add extra. Credits work like tokens. AI images usually take about 5 to 10 credits. Videos range from 25 to 50, and advanced models such as Google V3 use around 250 to 300 credits per video. If you've ever wondered how easy it is to turn a simple idea into a full video, Pollo.ai makes it crystal clear. Just scroll down and you'll see plenty of examples, real videos that were created in seconds with Pollo.ai. What's even better? You can actually look at the exact prompts that made those videos. That means you don't just watch, you learn how it was done. And here's the beauty of it. This feature, the ability to turn any thought into a complete AI-generated video, is one of Pollo's most powerful tools, and it all begins with a single prompt. All you do is click text to video, choose your model, pics, Kling, Halo, and more, and let Pollo do the rest. Simply write a prompt, for example, a man jogging on the beach at sunrise, click continue, and AI will generate 3 prompt options. Choose the one that suits you best and confirm. You can also select the aspect ratio, such as 16:9, or pick other options like 9:16 or 1:1, depending on your preference. Next, you'll see options for public visibility and copy protection. If you keep public visibility enabled, the video will be visible to the public. Enabling copy protection ensures that no one can copy your generated video. For more details, you can hover your mouse over the eye icon. Finally, click the Create button, and after some time, your video will be ready. Take a look at this generated video. It's truly amazing and looks so realistic. Every video here begins with a single line. And if one line can open up an entire world, imagine how far you and I can go from here. If you believe in the power of an idea, don't miss this journey. Hit subscribe, and let's create what comes next together. See you in the next video, where your idea becomes the next reality.